Hello everyone, so you want to know how you can screen record on your iPhone with voice. If you are filming a tutorial or you want to show how to do something on your iPhone to a family member, you can use this feature from your iPhone, which is screen recording, but also you can record your voice at the same time, and it's even clearer. So let me show you how you can do it. Go to your phone and tap on Settings, then tap on the Control Center and tap Add Screen Recording. Then once you have it on your Control Center, just scroll down and you will see it there. Tap and press on Screen Recording and then tap on Microphone and then tap on Start Recording. And it will start recording there. Then you just tap somewhere else and you can see here that there is the red symbol where it's already recording with voice. Okay, then you will tap on it to stop it, then you stop and you will go to your screen recording and you can hear it from here. Okay, so it is now saved on my phone. Let me know if you have any questions or video requests for the near future. I really hope you find this video useful, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.